Greetings and welcome to Cyber Breacher. Today I am going to discuss what is spam email, types of spam emails, how to protect yourself from spam email, and how to install Cyber Spammer in Termux and Linux terminal.
This is the future.
This video is for educational purposes only, and I do not promote illegal activities. Please do not use this information to do harm. Or
FBI, open up!
Spam email is the unwanted junk email sent out in bulk to a big recipient list. Typically, spam is sent for commercial purposes. It can be sent in massive volume by botnets, a network of infected computers. Spam email can also be a malicious attempt to gain access to your computer. So, is spam email dangerous? Yes. Spam emails can be dangerous. It can include malicious links that can infect your computer and phone with malware. Malware is a code designed to infect your computer or phone. And if you want a detailed video on malware, then subscribe my channel and write #malware in the comments. And please don't click unknown links. Dangerous spam email often sound urgent, so you feel the need to act. And keep watching to learn about some basic spam types. Commercial advertisement. When businesses capture your email address, they often subscribe you to their newsletter by default as a low-cost way to sell their products. Whenever you fill out an online form, look for a checkbox to opt in or out of the marketing email. While these emails can be pesky, most are harmless. By law, they must have a visible unsubscribe option. Antivirus warnings. Antivirus warnings are a common spam tactic. These emails warn you about a computer virus infection and offer a solution, often an antivirus scan, to fix the alleged cyber threat. But taking the bait and clicking the link can grant the hacker access to your machine or may download a malicious file. If you suspect that your computer is infected, do not click a random link in an email. Instead, scan your computer with your installed antivirus. Windows Defender works too. Why are phishing email scams often effective? Because the spam emails masterfully mimic the authenticity. In a spoofing attack, a spammer picks a company brand victim will trust, such as bank or an employer, and then uses the company's exact formatting and logos to perform the attack. Before you reply or click anything, check the from line to make sure that the sender's email is authentic. When in doubt, contact the company to verify whether the email was sent or not. Money scams. Unfortunately, spammers prey on people's goodwill. A common money scam begins with an email asking for help in a dire circumstances. The spammer fabricates a story about needing funds for an emergency or a tragic life event. Some scams, like the Nigerian prince scheme, promise to give you money if you just send your bank account information or pay a small processing fee. Always be cautious about providing your personal information or sending money. Spam email can be difficult to stop, as it can be sent from a botnets. Botnets are a network of previously infected computers. As a result, the original spammer can be difficult to trace or stop. If you receive a message that appears to be spam, for example, if you don't recognize the sender, mark the message as a spam in your email application. Don't click any links or attached file, including the unsubscribe button. Spammers sometimes include these links to confirm that your email address is authentic, or the link may trigger a malicious web page or downloads. I should mention a few things like using a disposable email rather than your original email. So, where can you get a disposable email? Well, you can Google for a disposable email or download an app called TempMail, links in the description, which provide you a disposable email as long as you need. Cyber Spammer is a Python script designed by me to send unlimited spam emails, and I made this script for educational purposes only. This works for both Termux and Linux terminal. You will need at least 5 accounts to use this script. I am going to use Gmail for this demonstration and installation process. To begin, we first need to make some changes in our email account. So open your favorite browser and log in with your account and go to a URL accounts.google.com. And click on the security button and then scroll down to less secure app access. If it is off, then turn it on. And if it is on, then leave it as it is. And we are done with the account settings. Then go to the GitHub repository, links in the description. And if you are going to the description, then please check out our social media account to access more hacking content which we do not post here. And then scroll down to installation instruction. Copy the commands and paste them into your Termux or Linux terminal. Make sure that the Git package is installed on your system. If not, then you can install the Git package with a simple command. Type apt-get install git. Now remove everything in the assets file and type your username in the first line and then your password in the second line, and repeat the same instructions for 5 times. Once you are done, press Ctrl+X to save and exit, and then follow the installation instructions. As you can see, we have successfully installed it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.